Hey everybody, welcome to Mammoth Interactive's YouTube channel. First of all, I want to thank you for watching this video. And remember that this channel doesn't do Patreon. Instead, we sell our digital courses down below. And every single dollar that we get from the products you buy below goes into making more content. The best way to help out this channel and Mammoth Interactive is to subscribe to Mammoth Interactive's huge library of content. Get thousands of hours and hundreds of courses for a low price down below. We have a monthly option and a yearly option. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the video.
Hey everybody, welcome to this video here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change all of the colors in Adobe Illustrator here. Now, what this is like, let's say if you wanted this to be a different color scheme, let's say your company's color is purple, for instance, and you wanted to change all the red colors to purple or whatever here, instead of like clicking on every single one of these, like you can see this is grouped up, and to ungroup it, you'd have to go Command Shift or Control Shift G, and well, it would be a whole problem here. So there's a really easy way to do this here. And what we need to do is we need to go to Edit, Edit Colors, and then Recolor Artwork here. But as you can see, it's not selected here. So you need to select everything here by pushing Control or Command A and then recolor the artwork here. Now this is absolutely amazing here. So I'm just gonna kind of move this over here to the side so you can kind of see what this is. Now, what this is that all the colors in this are in relation to one another here, okay? And this is a particularly complicated one, but if I wanted to move it to, let's say, orange here, you can see that it's now orange or red. And you can also see that, you know, if I wanted purple, you can see that it now works here. Now, a couple things to note here. When you do a graphic design, things that are opposite of the color wheel tend to pop out. So you can see that purple is different here, and I think it was around here. So you can see red, etc. here. But what happens if you don't, and like that, you can see you can have quite a bit of fun here. But nevertheless, let's kind of go back to this here. So, but let's say though, you want it to be blue, and again, the red you want to be more of a pinkish purple. Well, how do you do that? Well, you go unlink the colors here, and then you just move these colors over here, right, to whatever pink and purple that you want, right? And you can start to see that things are now becoming pink and purple, okay? And so you can do that here. You can move any one of these dots here. Now, this particular image is quite complicated, but you know, as you can see, you can move this to anything you want. You can make this yellow. You can see that one little person's yellow or green or whatever. But as you can see, it's basically all you got to do here. And you can lock it up again, and you know, you can kind of lock it up and move things around if you want here. So I'm just going to move that back because I did kind of like the blue area, but we wanted to change it to pink purple. Let's say these are the colors of your items here. Now, as you can see, there's again a lot of different colors here. This would have been easier with a simpler image here, and chances are your images won't be as complex here. So, a couple things to note: you can move this around wherever you want. And if you need to move the individual ones, click this button here and you can move each one individually here. And that will save you tons of times. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video.